You are welcome back to this channel. So now we want to find the differentiation of sum, difference, product, and quotient. Let's take them one after the other. So for the sum, if we have y to be equal to g of x plus h of x, then dy dx will be equal to d dx of g of x plus d dx of h of x, which will be dy dx will be equal to g prime of x plus h prime of x. For example, e.g., if you have y to be equal to, let's say, 2x plus x squared, then dy dx is equal to, if you differentiate 2x, you're going to have 2. And if you differentiate x raised to power 2, you are going to have 2x. That is, you use the power, this exponent, you use it to multiply the coefficient of the value of x here. Then you subtract 1 from the power. So that's how to differentiate that. So difference, for difference, that is multiplication and subtraction. So if y is equal to g of x minus h of x, it's the same thing. Y will be g prime of x minus h prime of x. So you differentiate it one after the other. So for example, if we have y to be equal to 5x squared minus 2x raised to power 3. So dy dx will be, you use 2 to multiply 5, that is 10, and take away 1 from this 2, so you have 10 multiplied by x, minus use 3 to multiply 2, that is minus 6, then you have x raised to power 2. So for products, this one has formula. So if we have y to be equal to g of x multiplied by h of x, then dy dx will be equal to, you keep g of x, then differentiate h of x. So d dx of h of x, then plus differentiate g of x, d dx of g of x, then keep h of x. So you can quickly say that let u to be equal to g of x, then v to be equal to h of x. Then you differentiate the u with respect to x. Then you say that the u, the x, will be equal to g prime of x. Then the v, the x, will be equal to h prime of x. So the formula goes thus: dy dx for the product rule will be equal to u dv dx, then plus v du dx. That is for the products. Now for the quotients,